Good morning, children. Today we are going to study another type of turn, that is 1/3 turn. 1/3 turn means 1/3 of a turn. Okay. So children, let me write down first 1/3 turn. Okay. So what shall I write? I will write 1/3 turn. So children, now all of you know 1/3 of what? 1/3 of 360 degree. This you should know, okay? Because full turn is 360 degree. So 1/3 turn means 1/3 of 360 degree. So it is 360 divided by 3. So how much is 360 divided by 3? It is 120 degree. Okay? So 1/3 turn means 120 degree. 1/2 turn, that is half turn, means 180 degree. 1/4 turn means 90 degree. Now today a new one, what is that? The new one is 120 degree. So children, what I have to do now? I will have to draw 120 degree. Okay? So without drawing 120 degree, how will I know what is 120 degree turn? So what will I do? I will draw a line. All of you know how to draw an angle. So what I have to do? I will have to first draw a straight line. Okay? So I have drawn a straight line. Now what do I have to draw? I have to draw 120 degree. So what will I do? I will take my protractor. Okay? Middle point over middle point. Line over line. Can you see this? Yes? Middle point over middle point. Line over line. And क्या क्वेश्चन पूछना है? मेरे लाइन के ऊपर कौन सा जीरो है? यस, आई होप यू हैव नॉट फॉरगॉटन. मेरे लाइन के ऊपर कौन सा जीरो है? मेरे लाइन के ऊपर बाहर वाला जीरो है. सो आई शुड टेक द आउटर स्केल. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू काउंट फ्रॉम द आउटर स्केल नाउ. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. So this is where my 120 point is. I will join them. Okay. So I will join them. So I have made a 120 degree. So how much is this angle? This angle is 120 degree. And this is 1/3 turn. 1/3 turn के लिए इतना घूमना पड़ता है. Okay. Now what I will do, you know, I will make one more 120 degree. So I will put point over point, middle point over the first point and line over line. Okay. इस point को point पकड़ा है, point पकड़ कर वहाँ रखा and line over the line. And again what question should I put? Where is my zero? So my inner scale is my zero this time. इस बार अंदर वाला scale है. Okay. So 0 अंदर वाला scale से 120 तक. So this is 120. So here this is the point. So I'm joining this. Okay. You will know now ऐसा क्यों किया है, अब ये पता चल जाएगा. So this is 120. So ये भी कितना है? ये भी 120 है. Okay. And if you measure this, you will find that this is also 120 degree. Because 120 plus 120, 240, 240 plus 120, 360. ये एक सर्कल है. So complete सर्कल कितना होना चाहिए? It should be 360. So 360 में कितने सारे 120 है? There are 3 120s. Okay? 120, 120, 120. So if we have our doll, अगर हमारा doll है, okay, जो उस तरह फेस कर रहा है, if you have to give it 1/3 of a turn, इसको अगर 1/3 clockwise turn देना है, so इसे ऐसे घुमाकर इस तरह लाना पड़ेगा. Is it clear? This is how she will look. Okay? So 120 एक turn दे दिया, clockwise 120 और एक बार turn दे दिया, और एक बार clockwise 120 turn देने से वो वापस अपनी जगह में पहुंच गई. So how many 1/3 turn she has taken? She has taken 3 times. Okay, I will show you once more anti-clockwise. So ये उस तरफ देख रही है. Okay, now you see 1/3 turn anti-clockwise. So 1/3 turn anti-clockwise. Okay, पहला 1/3 turn हो गया. Then one more 1/3 turn anti-clockwise, right? And 1 more 1/3 turn anti-clockwise. Now she is back to her position. Okay, so 120 डिग्री कितना बार आने से फुल टर्न होता है? 3 times. Is it clear? So now children, this is 1/3 of a turn. So 1/3 of a turn, when you will be given pictures in the same way, you will have to see whether 1/3 turn is correct or not. Okay, so one picture I have got. This is the picture. Okay, ये picture ऐसे है. Okay, so let me take this point. मुझे देखना है कि क्या ये picture 1/3 turn के बाद भी एक जैसा लगता है या नहीं. So I will give it a clockwise turn. So यहाँ इस point से clockwise turn. So this point should come here. Okay, ये जो point है वो यहाँ आ जाना चाहिए turn करने के बाद. So that is why I am holding it with this finger. So इसको घुमाकर slowly. अब जरा देखो क्या ये वैसा ही दिख रहा है जैसा पहले था? Is it looking the same? Yes, it is looking the same. That means this picture remains the same after 1/3 of a turn. Okay, let us give it one more turn. देख लेते हैं सही है या नहीं. So this time here my finger is there. I will bring it till here. And if you're doing it in the anti-clockwise direction, you can do it in the anti-clockwise direction also. Anti-clockwise के लिए तुम्हें उल्टा घुमाना है. So let me do it anti-clockwise. Okay, I'm holding it here and I will bring till here. So from here till here. Okay, if it is not drawn correctly, ये नहीं होगा. Drawing बिल्कुल correct होना चाहिए. See, वापस जैसा था वैसा ही हो गया. Can you see? So this picture remains the same on 1/3 of a turn. Right? So now let us see one more picture. So this is one more picture. You have to be very careful. यहाँ पर तीन चीजें हैं. देखो, outer black and then in the middle blue and in the middle and in the centermost part is again a black triangle. Okay, so all these things you have to keep in mind. सब चीज एक जैसा होना चाहिए. So let us see. I am holding it here. I will bring it clockwise 1/3. Okay, so clockwise turn करूँगी. ये अंदर वाला triangle को भी देखना. Everything is important. So this one I will bring. Let me see if it comes out correctly. Is it looking the same? Yes, it is looking the same. Let me give it a clockwise once more. देखो, it is looking the same. That means this picture also after 1/3 turn remains the same. Let us see one more. This one. Okay. यहाँ रख दिया. यहाँ पर रख. I have put my finger here so that I know कि मेरा rotation correct है या नहीं. So यहाँ से मुझे कहाँ आना है? यहाँ पर. Okay. क्या picture वैसा ही है? Yes. That means this picture will also remain the same after 1/3 turn. You can go back also. Anti-clockwise भी कर देख सकते हो. क्या वो वैसा ही है? Yes. Okay. For this also the answer is the same. Now come to this one. Okay, one more picture. See this triangle. Okay, अंदर वाला triangle भी देखना हाँ. Like this, it should come. So I'm going to give it. This time let me give it an anti-clockwise turn. So this is how it comes. Yes. Did you get the same picture? Yes. Here also the answer will be yes. One more picture. Let us see. Okay. So this I am holding it here. This time I am giving it a clockwise turn. मेरा ये part यहाँ आ जाना चाहिए. So I am giving it a turn like this. क्या मेरा पिक्चर वैसा ही है? No, because the color has changed. First it was blue on the top. Okay, now it is yellow on the top. If there was no color in this picture, then the answer would have been yes. But since here the color is there, the answer is going to be no. Okay, I think you have understood this, children. Thank you and bye-bye.